Okay, time for a quick update on my homemade rum. I started this batch about 9 weeks ago, and then after 3 weeks I added some brown sugar to back sweeten and also added some spices and oak spirals, which I removed after 8 days. And today I'm racking off of the oak spirals into a couple of glass carboys. Gonna check my specific gravity again. It's still holding at 1016 where we last left it. Gonna give it a quick taste. The color is amazing. The aroma is even more amazing with the spices and the oak. So I'll let it clear for at least 2 months, and I'll post another update in September. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you next time.